Welcome back, Quiz Legends, to 1000 Plus Quiz. Today, you're taking on 60 animal challenges across 6 levels. You get 8 seconds per round and 1 point for every correct answer. The boss rounds are worth double, so protect your streak. The first level warms you up, but the animals get much stranger as you go. First point, who can fly backward, hummingbird or swallow? The hummingbird. Its wing motion lets it reverse like a tiny helicopter. Who stores fat in its hump, camel or bison? The camel. Its hump stores fat, not water. That old myth fooled everyone. Who tastes with its feet, butterfly or hummingbird? The butterfly. Sensors on its feet help it test plants before laying eggs. Who has 3 hearts, octopus or jellyfish? The octopus. 3 hearts, and somehow still no time for a relationship. Whose pupils are sideways rectangles, goat, cat, or owl? The goat. Sideways pupils provide a much wider view of approaching danger. Decode these emojis to reveal this super cute mystery animal before time runs out. Red panda. Bonus point if you didn't mistake it for a regular panda or a fox. Who uses rocks as tools, sea otter or seal? The sea otter. It uses rocks to crack open hard shells. Which dad guards an egg on his feet? The emperor penguin. Dad balances it there through the Antarctic winter. Who inflates when threatened, pufferfish or clownfish? The pufferfish. It pulls in water, becoming much harder to swallow. Who dances to reveal food, honeybee or ladybug? The honeybee. Its waggle dance shares the direction and distance to food. Level 2. Time to discover some seriously wild animal superpowers. In which animal does the male carry the babies? The seahorse. The female transfers her eggs, and the male carries them until birth. Blur alert! Can you identify this giant creature before the picture focuses? Elephant. If you guessed it while it was still blurry, your eyes are on another level. Who makes cube-shaped poop, wombat or koala? The wombat. Cube-shaped poop. Nature apparently switched on Minecraft mode. Whose eyes change with the seasons, reindeer or moose? The reindeer. Its eyes shift from golden in summer to blue in winter. Who sleeps with half its brain awake? The dolphin. Half rests while the other half keeps breathing on schedule. Which fox uses giant ears to cool down? The fennec fox. Huge ears release heat and detect movement beneath the sand. Which frog can survive being partly frozen? The wood frog. Its heart can stop temporarily, then restart after thawing. Memory test. Remember all 6 animals right now, because they are flipping over. Where is the parrot hiding? Box number 3. Did your photographic memory lock it in, or did you take a wild guess? Who launches a sticky tongue? Chameleon or iguana? The chameleon. Its tongue accelerates incredibly fast and grabs prey in a flash. Boss round. Double points are on the line. Which animal pushes its stomach outside its body to digest food? The starfish. It begins digesting outside its body. 2 points and emotional damage. Welcome to Weird But True. These facts sound fake, but they're real. Which fish shoots water at insects above it? The archer fish. It fires accurate jets to knock insects from branches. Who attacks with a bullet-fast punch? The mantis shrimp. Its club-like limbs strike with ridiculous speed and force. Which bird remembers threatening human faces? The American crow. It can remember dangerous faces for years and warn other crows. Never visit a zoo ever again. Or comment down below the scariest animal on Earth. Tough choice. If you are not brave enough to type out your nightmare creature, you better stay away from the zoo. Who can regrow a complete limb? The axolotl. It can rebuild bone, muscle, nerves, and skin with little scarring. Which big cat cannot roar? Cheetah or lion? The cheetah. It cannot roar, but it can purr, chirp, and make bark-like calls. Which lizard can sprint across water? The green basilisk. Its rapid steps trap air and briefly keep it above the surface. Which mammal wears overlapping scales? The pangolin. It is the only mammal fully covered in large, overlapping scales. Which bat shares food with hungry friends? The vampire bat. Well-fed bats may share food with trusted partners. Weirdly wholesome. Speed test. Tap your screen right now and pause on the only harmless animal in this dangerous zone. Did you freeze it on the peaceful capybara, or did you accidentally grab a deadly cobra? Survival mode starts now. Let's see how animals stay alive in the wild. Which insect fires a hot chemical spray? The bombardier beetle. It mixes chemicals inside its body and fires them in hot bursts. Which tiny animal survived exposure to space? The tardigrade. Some survived outside a spacecraft. Your excuses have officially expired. Which bird uses uneven ears to locate prey? The barn owl. Uneven ear openings help it pinpoint prey in complete darkness. Which fish can deliver hundreds of volts? The electric eel. Specialized organs create powerful electrical pulses that can stun prey. Which fish has nearly colorless blood? The Antarctic ice fish. It survives without hemoglobin in cold, oxygen-rich water. These puzzle pieces are scrambled. Can you help solve it? Yay! You did it! The picture looks awesome now. Which reptile has a light-sensitive third eye? The tuatara. It senses light but cannot form normal images. Whose tusk is actually an enlarged tooth? The narwhal. Its spiral tusk is packed with millions of sensitive nerve endings. Which sea slug uses stolen chloroplasts? The leaf sheep. It keeps working chloroplasts from algae, tiny built-in solar panels. 2 points up for grabs. Which animal creates a powerful shockwave with one claw? The pistol shrimp. One snap creates a collapsing bubble and powerful shockwave. Expert Zone unlocked. The animals get rarer and the questions get tougher. Which male bird collects blue objects to impress a mate? The satin bowerbird. Males decorate displays with blue objects to attract females. Whoa, check out those giant eyes. Who do they belong to? Can you guess the animal? It's a bald eagle, America's favorite feathered friend. You nailed it! What is Antarctica's largest native land animal? The Antarctic midge. At only a few millimeters, it still holds the title. Which shark may live for several centuries? The Greenland 2 shark. Scientists estimate that some can live for hundreds of years. Which octopus imitates other sea animals? The mimic octopus. It copies sea snakes, lionfish, flatfish, and other marine animals. Which father carries chicks beneath his wings? The African jacana. Chicks hide under dad's wings, with tiny legs sometimes sticking out. Which bird can enter a hibernation-like state? The common porwheel. It can remain in deep torpor for days or weeks. These letters are all over the place. Can you unscramble the word and guess the animal? Woohoo! It's a penguin! How fast did you figure it out? Which bird has nostrils near its beak tip? The kiwi. Those nostrils help it sniff out food beneath the ground. Which fish tricks another species into raising its young? The cuckoo catfish. It sneaks eggs into another fish's brood and steals the parenting. Final level. Protect your score. These last questions won't go easy on you. In which animal can nest heat affect the baby's sex? The sea turtle. Warmer nests usually produce more females. Cooler nests produce more males. Which male mammal has venomous ankle spurs? The platypus. Males carry sharp, venomous spurs near their hind ankles. Cute, but armed. Which animal filters salt through glands above its eyes? The penguin. Special glands remove salt from its blood and release it through the bill. Can you find the one emoji that's not like the others? You found it! Nice work! Which bird migrates between the Arctic and Antarctic? The Arctic tern. It follows summer between Earth's two polar regions every year. Which animal has iron-rich front teeth? The beaver. Iron-rich enamel strengthens its teeth for constant cutting and gnawing. Which lizard can shoot blood from its eyes? The horned lizard. Some species spray blood to shock and discourage predators. Which male duck grows a bright blue bill? The ruddy duck. Hormonal changes turn its bill vivid blue during breeding season. Which animal do you think is more dangerous? The mighty lion or the tiny bullet ant? Let us know your pick in the comments below. Final boss. Which blue-blooded crab is closer to spiders? The horseshoe crab. Its blood is blue and it is closer to spiders than true crabs. Game over! Add up your final score. And if you scored 53 points or more, you've earned the title of Nature Legend. Drop your final score and tell us the one animal fact you genuinely didn't know. Subscribe for the next challenge and choose the video on screen to keep playing. See you there!